I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone and welcome to Let's Google It. World bestseller burger. It's a Big Mac. Yes, it's selling about 560 million Big Mac a year. But what you didn't realize is how easy to make it at home. So first I'm gonna start with the Big Mac sauce. So I have here regular mayonnaise, a little bit mustard, onion powder, make sure not onion salt, onion powder, white vinegar, sweet relish, and some ketchup. Very simple, very easy. Now you just mix it very well, and here your Big Mac sauce. Onion powder give you the taste of the dehydrated onion, the one you taste in the Big Mac. So the sauce, the Big Mac sauce, ready to go. Now let's work on the burger. Now what's important about the burger, it's a 3 layers. So you have the crown, the club, which is the middle slice, and the heel, which is the bottom. Now a lot of people, they use 2 bottom, which is the heels, but will be too much bread. I want to show you today what you can do. So the heel and the crown with the sharp bread knife, and we're gonna slice the club, which is the middle piece. Here you go. Now you have the crown, the club, and the heel. Now stove on the medium, and we're gonna toast the buns. Perfect, that's all what we need. Now before I start with the meat, I want to cut some iceberg lettuce. Nice and crisp, so put them on the side. Here we go. Now for the hamburger, I'm using lean ground beef, and I make it the shape of the meatball, like a little ball, so about 2.5 ounces. And you can use any container cover you have at home. You just put on top and push down from the edges as well. Voila! And you have a beautiful thin hamburger patty. Burgers go in. And now we're gonna add the salt. Nice. Now it's time to build our Big Mac and have my lunch. So I'm gonna start with the heel first. Big Mac sauce first. Lettuce. A few pickle. 1 hamburger patty. 1 slice processed cheese. Then the club, more sauce, a few more pickle, lettuce, and the second patty, and then the crown, and the moment of the truth. Wow, it is finger looking good. So Big Mac, now you know how to make it at home. Super easy, super yummy. All yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.